Tired of messy cables cluttering your workspace? The GZOKMOG Under Desk Cable Management Tray offers a simple, no-drill solution to organize cords and keep your desk neat. With its sleek black design and sturdy build, it's a smart addition to any home office or gaming setup. Installing this cable organizer takes less than 3 minutes, no tools or drilling needed. Thanks to its anti-scratch rubber pads, your desk surface stays protected from damage, unlike many other cable trays that can leave marks or dents. Crafted from premium carbon steel, this tray is built to last. Its reinforced metal mesh and solid bottom support up to 20 pounds, providing reliable strength for power strips, chargers, and multiple cables. Measuring 15.75 inches long and 4.72 inches wide, it fits comfortably under most desks. What sets this tray apart is its thoughtful side-opening design. 2 accessible slots make it easy to insert or remove cables without hassle, especially useful for standing desks where cable management can get tricky. This feature helps maintain a clutter-free workspace effortlessly. Beyond organization, this tray enhances safety by keeping cords off the floor and out of sight. It reduces tripping hazards and protects cables from pets or accidental damage. If you're looking to create a tidy, secure work area, this cable organizer does the job well. It fits desks with flat edges and thicknesses between 0.2 and 2 inches. Before purchasing, just measure your desk and power strip to ensure compatibility. This attention to detail means you get a perfect fit without guesswork. If you want a reliable, heavy-duty cable management solution that's easy to install and protects your furniture, the GZOKMOG tray is worth a look. It combines durability, convenience, and safety in one sleek package. Try it when you're ready to transform your workspace. Say goodbye to cable chaos and enjoy a clean, organized desk that supports your productivity and peace of mind.